Hello YouTube, thanks for watching, Edward here. So yesterday I put out this video and sharing with you guys the funnel. Now I've made an update and you're going to love this. This is powerful. Just to give you a quick hint, and I'll be talking about this, I've put together over 50 new graphics and you'll see the graphics that I've put together. We'll talk about these and you'll get access to it's in the funnel, and if you've already added these, if you add in the share code already, there's an easy way you can implement this into your funnel, so don't worry. And so basically, this is the marketing tools page. Now I've updated it. Now for those of you who have not seen this or not seen this funnel, you missed yesterday's video. Let me just explain. So this is a multi-income funnel. It's when I say multiple income funnel, it's got multiple streams of income in it. But it's done in a kind of a nice way. It's a science. There's a science behind it. The way I see it is that I see a lot of people who put together funnels, and it tends to get very overwhelming. But this is done in a nice step-by-step way, and there's not too much in here in terms of specifically primary businesses as such, and that's actually a good thing. Now there are a couple of spaces here on the front page. This is what we call the bridge page, where you can put your businesses you're passionate about. And then you've got the steps to go through to get the system set up, but then it's got an extra step here, which is the income step. You go here and then you get access to the other stuff. But what I've done is I've purposely done it so that it's not too much like where people stuff it with their primary businesses. And the problem with that is, I know you're passionate about lots of primary businesses and stuff, but the problem with that is that as soon as you put in a lot of primary businesses in that don't really kind of comply with a lot of people's focus, you're just going to simply turn a lot of people away. Think about it, guys. Some of the largest income streams that I have within my multiple income portfolio are really from traffic sources that I've been recommending for years and years, right back since 2011. Some marketing tools and platforms that I've been promoting for years and years, and traffic recommendations that I've been promoting for years and years. Some of those income streams are the ones that are actually providing me with some of the most lucrative income streams in my portfolio. And the reason for that is because not only is it a lot of stuff that people need, it's a stable income that just simply continues and never stops. It just continues to grow. And the other thing is people don't quit. Whatever happens to their primary business, if it goes down or they change focus or they jump ship and they do another business, they're still going to be on board with you in those traffic sources and those marketing tools. So that's why this multiple income funnel system, and I say multiple income funnel because it's multiple streams of income within this entire funnel. So that's the power of this tool. It's just simply getting set up once and having a funnel that promotes multiple streams that's going to last you for years and years and just going to continuously grow with residual income. That's the way it's been designed for, and it's got everything in here. But you do have spots here on the bridge page that you can put whatever it is you're passionate about in terms of multiple primary businesses. So now I wanted to talk about the marketing tools. So the marketing tools right here, step 3. Now if you've already set the funnel up, and that's fine, you don't actually need to rebrand this funnel. In other words, you don't need the share code for this funnel, this particular page, because there's no links going out to me. So you could just link directly to this page. That's up to you. However, if you want this page, I believe it's on the share code page. So you would go to the share code page, and the share code page doesn't actually have the marketing tools in there. And as I say, it doesn't need it. So yeah, there's nothing for you to set up. So that's good. That's good news, guys, because it means that those of you who already set this funnel up, you don't have to say, oh my God, I need to re-import the share code. So you don't need to. The button would have just gone straight here. So everyone's seeing this, and they're not getting promoted by me. They're not getting pitched on any businesses. They're just getting the downloads. So you can promote your graphics. You've got the graphics here. You just click here. And you've got the original graphics that you had before, and I haven't removed these. So if you've already put those out there on social media or on other places or on banner advertising sites or Leadsly, the graphics are still there. So don't worry about it. But the idea is really recommended just to download them. so that you have them on your desktop available for you when you need them. So we've got some amazing graphics for you, over 50 graphics that you can use. So build funnels, grow leads, earn freedom. And so, for example, effortless funnels, unlimited funnels. This is pretty good. Effortless funnels potential, and turn leads into multiple paydays. So yeah, it's done for you, instant results. So they're graphics that you can use now, right now. And the other thing is that I've added this as well, download ready-made marketing toolkit. So you download this, you've got swipes and everything here, email marketing. It gives you some tips as well, subject line, email swipes, pro tips, social media posts that you can use, just copy. And you can also make a copy of this and then add it to your own Google Docs. But you won't be able to edit this, obviously, for obvious reasons, but you can download it as well, just copy it out or whatever. So that's that. So, and then you get the other stuff as well, and the emails. So that's just what I want to show you guys, is you get 50 plus graphics just to promote this, already done for you, ready to go. And they look really nice. And I'll be adding more as well. So you're going to love what we've got here. I hope you like what we've put here, guys, and thanks for watching, and see you on the next training video. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Really helps my channel. Really appreciate the support from everybody. It's always just motivating to me when I see what it is you like. Then I can tailor the content on this YouTube channel based on what I see people liking. That's why I've kind of like cranked things up recently, particularly on the funnel side. And it's really bringing more people over, because that's what it's all about. I'm passionate about Live Good. I'm passionate about my things, prosperity marketing systems, Sparky AI. I'm passionate about that. But I can understand it's not necessarily for everyone. But the point is, I want to kind of like open things up a bit so that I'm bringing more people over. That's how we market our business. So just follow my lead. If you like what I do on this channel, this is what is helping me. It's what's working for me. I'm getting signups by doing it this way, because I don't want to seem like I'm just too focused, which the truth is I am. But the whole point of this journey and this whole entire game is that we are trying to attract more people. So I just want, of course, I'm here to make money, but I'm trying to open things up wider. And this is what we need to be doing, is just to really don't burn the bridges. Don't burn bridges. Be open to be providing value all over, wide open. So you get people coming over to you who might have not wanted to join someone who was just 100% focused. So think about that. Consider just really opening yourself up so that more people can potentially work with you. That's why I'm really focused on these marketing tools, because it's really helping me not only build those income streams, but also, most importantly, I want to build my primary business at the same time. It's just smart. It just makes sense. And it just gives out something fresh and new, and it supports all the good people I've worked with in the past. And it doesn't burn bridges. It just helps a whole lot of people, and ultimately it just brings more people over to you. And that's what it's all about. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.